Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sheyi Dairo. If you are the type that have been craving for importation business for year 2022, and maybe you have a challenge of the kind of products you can actually import to your country, like you don't have idea of the kind of products you can bring in, resell, and make money. With this video now, I want to tell you that importation of wristwatch can help you make a lot of money. If you can master this thing now professionally, it can help you make millions of naira. If you're from Nigeria here, you can make millions of naira with importation of wristwatch. If you check my screen, you will see different advertisements, people that are promoting the sales of wristwatch, that are promoting wristwatch through Facebook and Instagram advertisements. You see some engagement they have with their adverts. You see how people show interest in buying this. Then one more thing I want you to check with some of these adverts is the price, the amount they offer for the selling of this wristwatch. Don't be surprised the amount of profit they are making from this. For instance, the products, the wristwatch they are selling here at the rate of let's say 20 something thousand, let's say that was 25,000. Amount that will cost them to bring this wristwatch from outside country to their country may cost roughly 10,000 naira or less than 10,000 naira. And by the time what they want to resell it, they may resell it at the rate of 20 something thousand naira for you guys. So this is something that I know about. I've done it, and I'm talking from experience to help someone out looking for the kind of product idea they can actually embark on. And I'm telling you that if you can master importation of a wristwatch very well, you will make a lot of profit. If what you spend to bring wristwatch to the country is 10,000, you can resell it at the rate of 20,000 and above. That is just the rule. If you really want to make profit with this, nobody will hold you down that why are you selling it like this. No, that is profit of importation if you know some systems behind it. One of these things you have to do if you want to make a lot of money with this without having problem is to master your competitors. That is rule number one. Master your competitors. How will you do this? Go to Facebook, then search for wristwatch. You know how to search on Facebook now. Then type wristwatch. When you type wristwatch, you will see, just be scrolling down, you will see some sponsor adverts of a wristwatch. Now you'll be checking the advert that have a lot of engagement. Now check on those wristwatch. Why people show interest on this particular wristwatch now? Are you getting what I'm saying? Rules, don't forget the rule. Just search on Facebook, type wristwatch. When you type wristwatch, just be scrolling, you'll be seeing group posts, something like that. No, I'm not talking of group, we are talking of sponsor adverts. Now you will see some sponsor adverts. Just like check my screen and you will see some sample of the sponsor adverts I'm talking about the wristwatch. Now be checking those adverts that have a lot of engagements. That is, people really show interest in this one. People like it. People show love for it. They want it. Now click, if possible, that person selling this or promoting this have a sales page or landing page for this product. Click on it, go and check it so that you will see a good view of the product. Now what you do, check the price. The price is how much. Maybe the person is offered himself for how much, let's say 20 something thousand or whatever. Okay, master it down. The next thing to do, picture search the product, screenshot the product or save the image of this product. Then go to Google Lens. That is another thing. I'm not telling you to go to e-commerce site now. Go to Google Lens, then go and search for this picture. From Google Lens now, you will see different people selling this product. Then you will know what you want to get is how many competitors do you have on this product. That's another hint. Do you have a lot of competitors selling this product? How many people are actually selling this product? At least from Google Lens now, you're able to see at least this is amount of people selling this. Like how many people? Now you see that okay, what we want to achieve is, do you have uh, many competitors on this? If you don't have, like you see just only few people are selling this, and you see that people show interest in this thing really have a lot of engagement. Next thing you will do, just go to Alibaba, go and search for this same product there. How much are they selling in Alibaba? Go and master it down. If you don't know how to search, check description to this video. I will drop link for you to know how to picture search. Just check description to this video. I will drop link to that where I've made some of my previous video that explain how you can picture search any product on Chinese e-commerce site. When you do that and you're able to get like from one store, you see that at least I have a good price from this store, master it down and note that store down. Next thing, I'll go to 1688, go and picture search. You don't know how to do that, you don't know how to master 1688. I will drop some links just check description to this video. I will help you drop some links where I have explained, I've given free tutorial on how to picture search, how to buy or things, or how to use 1688 effectively. You can just check, you see some of these things there, right? So 1688 now, go and search. From 1688 now, master, I think, just note down the least amount you can get this same product from 1688. Just put it down. Even while searching, you can still be, your eyes will still be seeing some product like this wristwatch still fine, or this one, go and note those wristwatch down. It's different from the one you really intentionally came for to search. All right, the one you really came for intentionally to search now, go and note the price. Go to Taobao if possible. If you go and note the price down in Taobao. The last one, I go to Pinduoduo. Go and search in Pinduoduo, also note the price. Now at the end, go and check from all these e-commerce sites now, where do you think you can get these products at the very cheapest rate and with assurance, full assurance? And when you get that result, finished, the next thing is go and contact the supplier. I used to test little. I don't tell people most, as in, if not for this video now, I don't used to tell people this trick. Message that supplier. Maybe the supplier is on, you decide to buy from 1688 now. Message supplier in 1688 that store, particular store you want to buy from, and let these people understand if they can help you customize your wristwatch. They will give you additional cost for that. Customization is not free. Pay for the cost, pay for it. Let them customize this product for you, so that this is going to be for you only. Maybe others are selling this at the rate of 20,000. You can make your own 25,000. The same amount, the same product, but just that your own now you have customized it. You can offer it for how much? Let's say 25,000 or 30,000. By the time people want to search, like some people now, they want to do so strong head, like how much would this thing cost if you want to buy this thing from? They will not able to see it. They will search it till tomorrow. They will not even see your own, because your own now is customized. They will just be seeing one that want to look like. They can never see that's your own specific one, because your own is customized. So they will believe you that this one is Ote. They will believe your product that this is quality. It's like anybody that buy from you now, no rival. And people like something like that, the kind of product that what people like in some of these are fashion things like that, like something that is not too competitive. Like they hardly see any other person that's wearing or using the same product like that. But situation whereby a product, you import product now, you're selling it, and before that person scroll, they are seeing up to 3, 4, 5 different people selling that same product you are selling. They go, some people don't like it like that. They like something classic that they can easily wear out, like nobody's using this thing except him. They used to have that kind of respect. They used to have that kind of self respect that yes, I'm using something that is not common, so people like it. So when it comes to fashion, do not be stingy with customization of the product. It's not compulsory. That's why I say if you want to go in advance in this to make a lot of money, but if you are just a newbie just coming into this business, yeah, you can start. At least you can start from somewhere. You can start from somewhere. You can start as user now. Then when you bought this, now import this, you can bring it down to your country and promote this online. Promote this online before you go for promotion, right? There are many ways of promoting products. You can use Facebook slash or Facebook and Instagram advertisement to promote your goods. But before then, make sure you brand your page or Instagram. I will even advise you to brand your Instagram very well. Post some of this picture of this thing on Instagram, so that anyone that want to really have a feeling of the product, but maybe you traffic them to your WhatsApp about the product. You can just give them link to your Instagram now. You will gain them as your followers on Instagram. That is one. Then two, they were able to see series of wristwatch selections you have in your Instagram account and things like that. So it makes it see you as a professional. Are you getting that? So they will see that someone that this person is really advanced. And anytime you promote it online like this, any amount you put it, maybe amount that cost you to import this thing is just like 10,000 naira. You can resell this at the rate of 30,000 naira. Nobody will question it. They will buy this with joy. Then one more thing I want to use to finalize this is anything you are importing, try to buy along freebies. Try to buy along freebies. That is small things, like cheap things that can come along with that wristwatch you are selling. Like it will be like a freebie, like bonus for anybody that buy this from you within so date to so date. That will be the kind of thing you will use to market this thing online for promotion. And people like a wolf now. Nigeria, people like a wolf. They like something like you buy this, you get this free, and so you have to be creative to know. Even when it comes to freebie, don't just bring anyhow freebie. The kind of freebie that people will appreciate it. Then buy it along with this thing, with your wristwatch. Then doing so will help you to make a lot of profits, a lot of money. So then another thing, I think I said last advice, but let me still give you this hint that if you are just starting importation business, don't put all your money there. Just test run. If possible, buy little thing. Test run it. At least from first deal, you will master some things. You may do some mistake, then you will learn from it. Then you will still repeat it again. At least the past mistake now will not repeat itself. So this is how to master things and get it professionally. Then if possible, you can do local outsourcing before even importing from outside country. If you don't know how to import, like you never master it, you can do local outsourcing. That is helping someone here in Nigeria, that is if you are from Nigeria now, to resell things they have in their shop. You just be the one to help them market this thing. Like you master, you know how to run Facebook, Instagram advertisement now. Then you can approach some of these people that have this thing in their shops. You help them resell this thing. You will brand your page, everything like that, brand things like that for them. Watch, I will still help you. I will drop link to this video. Just check the description to this video. I will drop link where I explain how you can create video, how to make video for Facebook advertisement, like the kind of promotional video. Now some people don't know is how to create it professionally. Promotional video for Facebook advertisement, so that video things win heart of people more than just picture. So I will show you. I will still put the link there now to help you guys out. So this information I have for you. I know this year 2022, you have a lot of plan, Many people want to do many things, like people want to excel more, different plans. Out of all, if you can just try wristwatch importation, then I'm not telling you that that's the only thing. There are many things you can import, but wristwatch importation is part of things that is profitable if you can just master it. And that's just the information I have for you. And if you are here for the very first time, you are getting to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn up the notification bell and select all so that you'll be notified anytime I'm uploading video like this. Then leave me comments, like this video, leave me comment, let me know what you feel about this. Share this video to your loved ones, let them know how you let them know about this channel. Then what more, I wish you best of luck. And if you want to master importation business, like you don't know about importation, or maybe you have been trained wrongly by some so-called coaches, you want somebody that will help you, train you one-on-one on how to import to be a professional to advanced level. I can train you. Just check description to this video, you will see link to where you can enroll for my online training to connect with me one-on-one. Either you want to master how to run Facebook and Instagram advertisements, how to master importation from beginning to advanced level, just check description to this video. You will see a link to where you can enroll for my course. Love you. Bye.